Hi everyone. Today we are going to see some of the acupressure points that helps to restore the energy flow and increase the metabolism of the body. Do this simple massage on a daily basis and your body will thank you. One of the most important rules when doing acupressure is to be calm and relaxed. Before starting the routine, do some basic breathing exercises to make the oxygen flow throughout your body. By pressing some of the energy meridian points on your body, you can make the flow of energy even again and help your body work better. Let's go ahead and dive into those amazing pressure points now. This point is present in the face, in the area between your upper lip and your nose. Massage for a few minutes daily in this point. Massaging this point will help to reduce the anxiety and manage your appetite as well. This can be especially helpful for people who are overeater or who cannot control their appetite. The next point is present in the arm. It is located on the side of your elbow, on the outer side of the arm, exactly at the end of your elbow crease. All energy is thought to pass through this point, so gently press or rub these points on both the arms. As we know, most of the acupressure points are bilateral, so it is present in both the sides. One is in the left and another is in the right side. So you can do this for a couple of minutes several times a day if you wish. This is great to do to help prevent getting sick. Not just while you're sick. Also, this point eliminates the body heat and stimulates the work of the intestines for better digestion as well. And it is known to benefit the immune system, relieves the cold symptom, and also if you have any local elbow pain, that could also get vanished by pressing this point. Isn't it so amazing, right? Let's go to the next point. This point is present in the leg. To find this point, use your right palm to cover your left knee, as I have shown in this image. In the spot between your ring finger and the end of your pinky finger. You should see a minor dent at this point. This point is commonly used in acupressure as it is believed to boost the digestion and also reduces the inflammation. So be careful not to overwork this point. Just massage it once a day or twice, not more than that. Let's go to the next point. This point is present in the ear. To boost your metabolism, gently massage this point near your ear, just in front of the ear canal. To exactly locate this point, place your finger in front of your ear and slightly open your mouth. You would find a depression at this point. It will become intended when you open your mouth. Also, this point is thought to boost the function of a small intestine. So massage this point every day as well. Adding to these pressure points, the most effective way to lose weight or increase the metabolism is to eat a healthy diet full of nutritious foods and vegetables, and free of junk food and preservative. So drink plenty of water when you have thirst feeling and get an adequate amount of exercise to keep your body healthy and strong. So I hope you're all so excited to try these pressure points and incorporate in your daily routine. I'm sure you'll see the benefits out of these pressure points only if you're regular. So try these points at least a minimum of 21 days or even more than that. So make sure to come back here and share your experience and how you have benefited after trying these points in the comment section below. I love to hear from you all. Hope you guys loved this video. Then give it a thumbs up, and I appreciate you pressing the bell icon to get the latest update from me. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Bye.